In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload to Dropbox link. This process is straightforward and ensures your files reach the intended recipient quickly. Let's dive right into the steps. First, click the Dropbox link sent to you by the requester. You will see a web page open that is specifically designed for file uploads. This link is your gateway to upload files directly to someone else's Dropbox. It's essential to use the link provided to ensure you're sending files to the correct location. If you accidentally navigate to the wrong place, it could lead to confusion or delays in your file transfer. Next, verify the request header to ensure it shows the correct recipient or project name. This step is crucial because it confirms that you are uploading to the right account. The request header typically displays the information provided by the sender, such as their name or the project title. Taking a moment to check this can save you from sending files to the wrong person or project. If everything looks good, you can proceed confidently to the next step. Now, click the Add Files button in the center of the web page. This button is usually prominently displayed, making it easy for you to find. Clicking it opens up a dialog box that allows you to choose files from your computer or other sources. This action is the starting point of your upload process, so make sure to locate it easily. Once you've clicked it, you'll be ready to select your files. After that, choose your source from the drop-down menu. You may see options like Files from Computer, Folders from Computer, or From Dropbox if you have an account. Selecting the right source ensures that you can access the files you want to upload. This flexibility is particularly useful if you have files stored in different locations. Understanding where your files are stored will streamline your upload process. Next, browse and select the specific video or file you want to send. This step is about pinpointing the exact item you need to share. You will navigate through your folders and files until you find the one you want. This is an important step because selecting the right file ensures that you are sending the intended content. Once you have chosen your file, you can move on to the next action. Now, click Open to queue the file. By clicking Open, you are confirming your selection, and the file will be added to the upload queue. This action is essential because it tells the system which file you are about to upload. You will see the file listed on the web page, indicating it is ready for the next step. Click Add More Files if you need to attach additional items. This button allows you to upload multiple files in one go, which is a great time saver. You can repeat the selection process for any additional files you wish to include. This flexibility ensures you can send all necessary files without starting the upload process over and over again. Finally, click the blue Upload button at the bottom of the screen. Keep the browser tab open until the progress bar reaches 100% and displays a finished confirmation message. This final step completes your upload process. Waiting for the progress bar is crucial because it ensures that all your files are successfully uploaded before you close the tab. Once you see the confirmation, you'll know your files are on their way to the recipient. Thank you for following along. You've now learned how to upload files using a Dropbox link, making file sharing efficient and straightforward.